Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. That is a big no-no. You don't ever do that, or else you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. Because tampering with fire alarms in public buildings is a very serious felony. Why is that? Is because you are endangering the lives of people inside the building and outside of the building when you are tampering with fire alarms in a public building. So this is why you don't ever do that. These are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why fire alarms are not something to be tampered with in public buildings. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then it is okay to mess around with them because they are in a controlled legal environment. But in a public building like a school, fire alarms are not something to be tampered with because they are very serious life safety devices. Goodbye.